Think of Scottish fabrics and one has to think of tartan. Across the world there's a huge demand for authentic tartans, but also every season in menswear and in women's wear, cutting edge designers are taking the tartan designs and having them redesigned, reinvented, refreshed, distorted. And best of all, they know the only place to come for tartan is Scotland.
We like to think that Scotland is unique in manufacturing tartan. It is produced elsewhere, but for the aficionados, the people that want the real thing, they do know to come back to Scotland for that. Each mill will make their own unique tartan if that's their speciality. And we all have our own handwriting on particular designs and on the pattern scales that we'll work with and the qualities of fabric that we end up with. We work with designers right across the world. There's Ralph Lauren, Vivienne Westwood. We've done work with Burberry in the past, Dax, Jaeger, Nicole Fari, Charles Anastase, Clements Ribeiro. They're some of the younger brands. And some will use the tartan in quite traditional ways. So if you think about Ralph Lauren in America, they will use our tartans year in, year out, but they'll use it in a very classic way that suits their look. We have a very good Japanese client, Comme des Garçons, one of the best known design brands in the world and one of the most respected. And they use similar tartans, different designs, maybe different colours, but they will use them in a much more adventurous and perhaps outrageous manner. So we can the tartan does cover a lot of bases and a lot of requirements. When tartan's put on the catwalk or in some of the key collections, it does tend to bring a lot of press with it and generate a lot of interest. And you can see that that then spreads through other design brands and people sort of pick up on it and maybe use it in different ways and put their own handwriting on it. Customers do challenge you. And that is good. It's a two-way operation. Sometimes they push you in a direction that you would maybe not think about or even think, can we do that? That only comes when you've built a very good relationship with a customer and they have the confidence in you and appreciate that you will try to develop things with and for them.